Are you over 60? Do your legs feel weaker than they used to? Is getting up from a chair becoming a struggle? You're not imagining it. You're losing muscle. Fast. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You can fight back. Today, I'm revealing the one food that ends sarcopenia. No expensive powders, no complicated meal plans. Just real food from your local grocery store. Stay with me for the next 21 minutes. This could transform your life. Welcome to Senior Vitality. I'm Dr. David Chen. For over 15 years, I've helped older adults stay strong, independent, and confident. Here's what most doctors won't tell you. Sarcopenia is the silent thief stealing your strength after 60, but you're not powerless against it. Today, we're exposing the food that can reverse muscle loss, backed by real science, not opinion, not trends, science. You'll learn exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how to see results in weeks, not months. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete action plan. Ready to take back your strength? Let's dive in. Let me explain what's happening inside your body. Sarcopenia means age-related muscle loss. It starts quietly around age 60. Most people don't notice at first. But here's the scary part. You lose up to 3% of your muscle mass every single year. Think about that. By age 70, you could lose 30% of your muscle. That's why simple tasks become difficult. Standing up from the couch, walking upstairs, carrying groceries, opening jars. These aren't just signs of getting old, they're warning signs of sarcopenia. But here's what gives me hope. It's not just aging that causes this, it's a lack of the right fuel. Your muscles are starving for specific nutrients, and once you give them what they need, everything changes. You can rebuild. You can get stronger at any age. Let me be direct with you. Muscle is your body's engine. It keeps you moving. It keeps you balanced. It protects you from falls. Lose muscle, and you lose independence. You become dependent on others. You lose confidence. You stop doing the things you love. But rebuild that muscle, everything shifts. You gain energy back. You gain confidence back. You gain freedom back. Strong muscles mean better balance and fewer falls, more energy throughout the day, better blood sugar control, stronger bones, faster metabolism, greater independence, the ability to live life on your terms. This isn't about vanity. This is about quality of life. This is about staying in your own home. This is about playing with your grandchildren. This is about living, not just existing, and the right food can flip the switch. Here's what the supplement industry doesn't want you to know. You don't need expensive protein powders. You don't need special shakes. You don't need magic pills. Whole foods work better. Always have. Always will. Here's why. Whole foods deliver complete nutrition. Protein, yes, but also vitamins, minerals, and cofactors your muscles actually need. They work together synergistically. Real food is easier for your body to recognize, easier to digest, easier to absorb, especially important as we age. Our digestive systems slow down. Whole foods are gentler, they're safer, they're more effective, and they're more affordable. No monthly subscriptions. No complicated mixing instructions. Just food. Real, simple, powerful food. So what's the secret weapon? Eggs? Yes, simple whole eggs. I can hear some of you right now. But Dr. Chen, what about cholesterol? Aren't eggs bad for seniors? Let me set the record straight. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein. They contain leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle growth. They're easy to cook. They're affordable. They're delicious. And research proves it. 2 eggs at breakfast can boost muscle repair and strength in seniors. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found this. Seniors who ate whole eggs showed significant improvements. More muscle mass, better strength, improved physical function. But here's the critical part most people miss. Don't skip the yolk. That's where the magic happens. The yolk contains vitamin D for muscle function and bone health, vitamin B12 for energy and nerve health, choline for brain and muscle signaling, healthy fats that help absorb other nutrients, Half the protein is in the yolk. Egg whites alone won't cut it. You need the whole egg. Nature designed it perfectly. Don't mess with perfection. Let me break down exactly why eggs work. First, complete protein profile. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids. Your body can't make these on its own. You must get them from food. Eggs deliver them all in perfect ratios. Second, leucine content. Leucine is the trigger. It flips your muscle-building switch. It activates something called mTOR. That's your body's muscle growth signal. Eggs are one of the richest sources of leucine. Third, the yolk nutrients. Vitamin D supports muscle contraction. Low vitamin D means weak muscles. Most seniors are deficient. The yolk helps fix that. B12 supports your nerves and energy production. Without it, you feel exhausted. Choline helps your brain communicate with your muscles. Better communication means better movement. Fourth, easy digestion. As we age, digestion slows down. Eggs are soft, easy to chew, easy to break down. Your body absorbs the nutrients efficiently. No bloating, no discomfort, just clean fuel for your muscles. This is why eggs work when other foods don't. Timing matters more than most people realize. Here's exactly how to do this. When? Eat eggs at breakfast. Your muscles are most ready to rebuild after sleep. Nighttime is when you fast. Your body breaks down muscle overnight. Morning protein stops that breakdown. It jumpstarts muscle repair. Aim to eat within 1 hour of waking. How many? Start with 2 whole eggs. That gives you about 12 to 14 grams of protein, plus all those yolk nutrients we discussed. How to prepare them? Scrambled, quick and easy. Poached, gentle and moist. Soft-boiled, perfect texture. Hard-boiled, great for meal prep. Avoid frying in butter or oil. Keep it clean and simple. What to pair them with? Add vegetables for fiber and vitamins, spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers. Include a slice of whole grain toast or half an avocado for healthy fats. Skip the bacon and sausage. Processed meats cancel out the benefits. The simple formula: 2 whole eggs plus colorful veggies plus whole grain carb equals perfect muscle-building breakfast. Eggs are your foundation. But variety amplifies results. Here are the other power. Foods to add. Greek yogurt, high in protein, 15 to 20 grams per cup, contains probiotics for gut health. Better gut health means better nutrient absorption. Choose plain, unsweetened versions. Add your own berries. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Reduces muscle inflammation. Packed with vitamin D. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Beans and lentils. Plant-based protein and fiber. Supports steady energy. Helps with blood sugar control. Great for heart health, too. Cottage cheese, another protein powerhouse. Contains casein, slow-digesting protein. Perfect for evening snacks. Keeps muscles fed overnight. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens. Rich in magnesium for muscle function. Potassium for nerve signaling. Iron for oxygen delivery to muscles. Seeds and nuts. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, walnuts. Provide zinc, magnesium, healthy fats. Great for snacking. Easy to add to meals. Rotate these foods throughout your week. Keep your body guessing. Keep your muscles growing. Consistency beats perfection. One meal won't change everything. You need a daily rhythm. Here's your complete action plan. Breakfast, within 1 hour of waking. 2 whole eggs, scrambled or poached. Sautéed spinach and tomatoes, 1 slice whole grain toast. Glass of water, mid-morning snack, if needed. Greek yogurt with berries. Handful of walnuts. Lunch, grilled salmon or chicken breast. Mixed green salad with olive oil, quinoa or brown rice. Afternoon snack, cottage cheese with cucumber slices, or 1 hard-boiled egg, or small handful pumpkin seeds. Dinner, lean protein, fish, chicken, or beans, roasted vegetables, sweet potato or lentils, leafy green salad. Key rules: spread protein across all 3 meals. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Don't save it all for dinner. Your muscles need regular fuel throughout the day. Drink water with every meal. Muscles need hydration to function. Move your body every day. Even a 10-minute walk helps. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Muscle repairs at night. This is your blueprint. Follow it consistently for 30 days. Let's talk about realistic expectations. This isn't magic, but it is powerful. Week 1. You might not notice much physically, but your body is adapting. Protein synthesis is increasing. You may feel slightly more energized. Week 2 to 3. You'll start noticing differences. Standing up from chairs feels easier. You have more energy throughout the day. Less afternoon fatigue. Week 4 to 6. Real changes become obvious. Muscles feel firmer. Balance improves. You walk with more confidence. Everyday tasks become simpler. Week 8 plus. Significant transformation. You're stronger than you've been in years. Your doctor may notice improvements in labs, better blood sugar, better cholesterol ratios. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. But remember, this only works if you stay consistent. No skipping days. No giving up after 1 week. Trust the process. Your body will respond. Let me save you from the mistakes I see every day. Mistake number 1. Skipping breakfast. This is the worst thing you can do. Breakfast sets your metabolism for the day. It stops overnight muscle breakdown. Never skip it. Mistake number 2. Eating only egg whites. You're throwing away half the nutrition. Eat the whole egg. Mistake number 3. Relying on supplements. Alone. Powders can help, but they're not enough. Real food first. Always. Mistake number 4. Pairing eggs with processed meat. Bacon and sausage are inflammatory. They cancel out the benefits. Keep it clean. Mistake number 5. Giving up too soon. You won't see results overnight. Give it 4 to 6 weeks. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Mistake number 6. Not moving your body. Food is half the equation. You must move to build muscle. Even gentle exercise counts. Mistake number 7. Forgetting hydration. Muscles are 75% water. Dehydration means weak muscles. Drink up. Avoid these mistakes. Accelerate your results. Let me tell you about Mary. She's 72 years old, lives alone in her own home. Last year she struggled to get out of her recliner. She needed help carrying groceries. She was terrified of falling. Her independence was slipping away. Then she came to my clinic. We started her on this exact plan. 2 eggs every morning with vegetables. Greek yogurt for lunch. Salmon twice a week. Simple daily walks. After just 1 month, she called me. Her voice was different, stronger, excited. Dr. Chen, I walked to the grocery store today. By myself. I carried my own bags home. At her 8-week checkup, I was amazed. Her muscle mass had increased by 4%. Her grip strength was up 15%. Her balance scores improved dramatically. But the best part? The smile on her face, the confidence in her eyes. Mary took action. She followed the plan. She stayed consistent. And she transformed her life. You can too. Mary isn't special. She just made a decision and stuck with it. Quick answers to your burning questions. Can I eat eggs every day? Yes, unless your doctor specifically says otherwise. Recent research shows daily eggs are safe for most seniors. What if I'm allergic to eggs? Try Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or fish. You have options. Is it too late after 70 to build muscle? Never. Your body can grow stronger at any age. I've seen 80-year-olds gain muscle. How much protein do I really need? Aim for 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. That's about 70 to 85 grams for most seniors. What about cholesterol? For most seniors, dietary cholesterol doesn't raise blood cholesterol. But ask your doctor if you have concerns. Do I need to lift weights? It helps, but it's not required to start. Begin with body weight exercises, chair squats, wall push-ups, heel raises. Start where you are. Here's the bottom line. Sarcopenia is not your destiny. You can fight back. Starting today, starting now. Eggs are your secret weapon. Simple, affordable, powerful. Eat them daily. Pair them with other muscle-building foods. Move your body. Stay hydrated. Be consistent. In 30 days, you'll feel the difference. In 60 days, others will see the difference. You can stay strong. You can stay independent. You can stay vital. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to eat eggs? Have you noticed muscle loss after 60? Drop a comment below and share your story. If you learned something valuable today, hit that like button. Subscribe to Senior Vitality for more science-backed health tips, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this message. Let's build a stronger, healthier community together. Thank you for watching. Stay strong. Stay vital. I'll see you in the next video.